Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Yoast active. Now configure essentials so green scores are achievable. First, open the Yoast dashboard and set your site title templates and XML sitemap. This provides global structure. Next, choose one primary focus keyword per page from your prepared list and paste it into Yoast's focus field. Once done, set a readable SEO title and meta description that include the keyword early. This quick setup aligns content evaluation and gives you a baseline to improve the readability and SEO indicators. You now optimize the page itself. Place the focus keyword in the slug, the first 5,100 words, and at least one H2 to satisfy Yoast checks. While doing this, make sentences shorter and vary length so readability turns green. Include transition words and multiple subheadings. Make sure images have descriptive alt text including the keyword when natural, and add internal links to related pages. Also, fill out the meta description and set a concise SEO title. These steps directly influence Yoast's assessed traffic and snippet quality. You're at the finish line. Run Yoast's full analysis and address every red or orange item systematically. Start with keyword density, passive voice, and missing subheadings. Make priority pages cornerstone content and add canonical URLs to prevent duplicate content penalties. If a page stays orange, make sure content length is sufficient and no other plugins or the theme are overriding meta tags. When problems persist, clear caches, disable conflicting plugins, and resave permalinks. These fixes resolve most stubborn Yoast grading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.